Today we're taking a look at this laser, the QR laser Boresighter. So this is it. It's your battery. So it looks like they already have a battery inside, so that's a spare battery they give. So even with a bunch of bright lights on, you guys can still see that laser really well, especially in person. On camera, it's not going to pick it up as nice. Just push button. The back is magnetic, so it does stick on. So anything metal, you can stick this on, which is nice. Seems like a metal body frame. If we tilt this here, there's the battery. They also give you these little sighting papers.